Materials Solutions has grown considerably from its origins in a laboratory in 2006, and particularly so since its 2016 acquisition by Siemens. Having joined forces together, it's realizing the commercial possibilities of an emerging technology.
Materials Solutions is a world leader in additive manufacturing, a layer-by-layer based manufacturing process. For the past 10 years plus, both Siemens and Materials Solutions have been working in additive manufacturing of metals. People weren't sure if it was capable. We have good data that says we can use this process, we can design components, we can produce them and apply them into challenging environments, be it gas turbines or jet engines or rockets. We take a unique approach using our global reach and our global talent pool of employees around the world to really drive this technology.
We've developed the proven applications, know-how and supply chain for work with the world's most advanced engineering companies in a broad range of industries.
Additive manufacturing is a game-changing technology. It can be economically competitive against conventional manufacturing because it allows you to manufacture components that you wouldn't have been able to do conventionally with enhanced performance or functionality for their end use.
We're now in serial production, and it's turned into a viable digital end-to-end process. We use this technology for repair of gas turbine parts, for prototypes, for manufacturing serial components.
Our customers are as confident as we are that the components we make will meet their needs in even the harshest environments. Examples are safety roll hoops that we use for racing cars and parts for gas turbines, including combustion components and non-rotating components.
The 3D printed parts are manufactured by Materials Solutions' new dedicated AM factory at its base in Worcester, where it employs 45 staff and provides third-party services in manufacturing, print and design, consulting, and training.
It's very challenging taking this technology or any new technology from the lab into a serial production that's now established and respected. We used very thorough inspection techniques, including CT scans, to make sure that the design community and the engineers were 100% confident that the product is of the highest quality.
We are redefining the roles and the processes that we use to allow us to take this process and fully industrialize it. It's a very innovative, progressive company which provides a challenging environment to develop our employees.
We are working on developing the mindset from the classic laboratory environment to one of productivity, focusing on cost and quality.
With new bases in Europe and the US, Materials Solutions is collaborating closely with Siemens Digital Industries for large-scale growth and innovation.
We've learned what it takes in order to get the best out of this technology. It feels like we're at the tipping point in terms of getting our customers on board and getting the products out there and really driving this technology out into the marketplace and solving our customers' complex challenges.